Hello, creative minds. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, a place where we bring you the latest tips, trick, and tutorial to unleash your creativity. I am Saturday, and today I will be showing you how you can import SVG file into Canva. Whether you are a graphic designer or a social media manager, Canva is the go-to platform for creating stunning design. So what exactly is an SVG file? SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics, which is a versatile file format widely used for vector-based designs. It allows you to scale your graphic without losing any quality, making it perfect for resizing and editing. So now that we understand what SVG file is, the next thing is to know how to import SVG file into Canva. The first thing we'll do is to open up Canva and create an account. In doing so, you need to search for Canva through Google. Then you open the first link. So I'm going to click on it. Then you'll be redirected to this screen. At the top right of the screen, you can see login and sign up. So if you don't have any accounts, you can create a free account with Canva. And if you don't understand how to create an account inside Canva, you can watch my tutorial that shows step by step on how you can create an account with Canva. So for me, I already have an account. So what I will do, I'm going to click on login. Okay, so we are being greeted by the home page of Canva. At this home page, you have various designs, and for me, these are my own personal designs I've done within Canva. And you can also see the other things within the Canva. You can see the home page, project, template, brand hub. Again, probably you want to do a particular design, and you want to make use of the template inside Canva. So in order for you to search for a particular template, you can come to this search bar and click the design or the specific design you're looking for. For example, I'm just gonna take this motivational search. Then you will be presented with various design options. As you can see, these are design options you can use. So you can just select any designs that you feel you need to use, and then modify it to suit your brand. So for you to be able to import SVG file into Canva, what you would do is to create a design. And for you to create a design, you need to come over here and click on this that says create a design. A pop-up dialog box shows. In this pop-up dialog box, you have options. You have the doc, the whiteboard, A4, letterhead, flyer, YouTube. So these are pre-designed template size, but I'm not going to use that. I'm going to come to custom design and click on it. Now another pop-up dialog box has also shown. In this pop-up dialog box, you can see width and height. So I'm going to put in my own canvas size. For the width, I'm going to put in 1000, and for the height, I'm going to put in 1000. Then I'll click on create new design. So right now we are in the design editor. Inside the design editor, we have the design. So if you in the environment, when you look at the environment, at the left side you have the design menu, you have the element, you have upload, text, and we're going to be making use more of the elements, upload and text. Now basically we are the design menu. On the design menu, you have templates that you can just select and drag to your Canva. But we're not going to do that because we're after importing an SVG file into Canva. So now for you to use your own SVG file, what do you do? So what you do is to come to upload, then you click on upload, then you locate where you store the file in your device. For me, it's under downloads. Then I'm going to select the file. Then the next thing I will click open. So the file is going to upload inside. Okay, so now that the process is finished, the process of upload is finished, what you can do next is to click and drag your design into the Canva. Now you can also scale it up to fit the Canva. So this is our SVG file that we have imported. If you click on it, you have option to change the color to your own, to a different color that you may like. So for the blue, I'm going to change it to this color. Then I'm going to change this other color to a different color. Okay, let me just say black. Then this one, I'll leave it like that. This is just it. What we have done now is we have imported an SVG file into Canva that's we can use for a specific design that we want. Because the reason for this is that sometimes you may be looking for some basic shape to use for your design, and you cannot, when you go into your elements, sometimes you cannot find those type of shapes you are looking for. But the thing is, you can create your own shape and import them as SVG file to use in your design, and which we have just done right now. So where you can, so to just make this thing look a bit interesting, let us add some few details to it. If I go into my upload, so I have some people here, so let me add this person here. So let me use this one as background. So I'm going to reduce the transparency. So next thing, I want to add some text to it. So I'm going to add a text. So I like this. I'm going to make use of this. I'll click and drag and bring it here. Then it's too big, so let me reduce the size of the text. So I also want to add something like logo on top, but I don't have logo. I can come here. Let me just use this to represent the logo. So I can also change the color. Let me just change the color to this. So this about this. As you can see, we imported our SVG file, and I've used that SVG file to also create a design, and you can see the outcome of the design. So that's just the benefit of importing your own SVG file that you can use inside your design. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll never miss an update from our channel. As always, if you have any question or suggestion, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thank you for joining me today, and I will catch you up in the next video. Until then, stay creative and keep designing amazing visual graphics with Canva. Bye.